Hey everyone, if you'd rather listen to a PDF than read it yourself, ElevenReader makes the process quick and simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload a PDF, have it read aloud with AI voices, and adjust the playback settings for the best listening experience. To begin, launch the ElevenReader app or open the website in your browser, then sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account before moving on. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Upload, Import, or Add Document option. Select your PDF file from your device and wait a few moments while ElevenReader processes it. After the upload is complete, open your PDF from the Library or Recent Documents section. ElevenReader will display the document and prepare it for AI narration. Now press the play button to begin listening. ElevenReader will read the text in your PDF aloud using an AI-generated voice.
Paragraph.
If multiple voices are available, you can select the one you prefer. To make the experience more comfortable, adjust the playback speed or switch to another available voice. You can also pause the narration, skip ahead, or return to previous sections whenever you need. Your uploaded PDF will usually remain in your library, so you can come back and continue listening later without uploading the file again. This makes it easy to pick up right where you left off, and that's how you can listen to PDFs with ElevenReader. I mean, it's an easy way to turn documents into natural-sounding audio for studying, work, or everyday reading. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.